Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make money online? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic methods that can help you earn a living from the comfort of your own home. First up, we have dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. It's a great way to start your online entrepreneurial journey. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product owner. Another method worth considering is creating and selling online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, why not share your knowledge and make money while doing it? It's a fulfilling way to earn an income and help others learn. Now, let's not forget about freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, or programmer, there are countless opportunities to offer your services online. It's a flexible way to work on projects that interest you and get paid for your skills. Last but not least, we have the world of blogging. By creating valuable content and attracting a loyal audience, you can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products. So, there you have it. These are just a few methods to get you started on your online money-making journey.